welcome to Chisa.
Carlo Motomoya Chisa. How cool is that?
You know what I'm saying? Ain't no rabbit in this hat. Ain't no half cap, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be here all night. Let's get this party pumping.
Okay.
Finoli, Thabani. Umbhedo wani lo siceda ukubona lana? Nisho ukuthi umsebenzi wenu uphelele manje?
Well, badinga nje kuphela ukufundiswa nokuboniswa bandla. Mina ngiyayibona i-potential, Jim.
Yeah, no, definitely.
I-potential. Sidinga ama-stars. I-potential is not enough, Vinolia. Siyamoyeni in 2 weeks. Sidinga ama-stars right now. Do you understand that?
Kodwa mara nawe nomonde uthe ufuna ubuso busha. New talent. And akukho that easy.
Nithembise i-channel ukuthi nizoyenza ichisa i-hit. Sidinga ama-presenters ane-magic. What we call the it factor. If anikwazi ukukwenza lokho, ngizoyikhansela le contract.
At least in the title sequence. Kodwa mara yazi taps.
How V? Wena kukho nenthincane nje kujabulisayo.
Ngathi awubona nje ukuthi mangabe angiyithola ipresenter namhlanje, then I'm dead.
No, ungakhathazeki man, soyithola. Njele no Shane sibaye ukuthaza zo audition. Ngabe ngayithela phe kwaSibu endleleni. Cabanga.
Sbu. Oh, lo TS Records. Oh, come on. Lo muntu lona kana sikhathi sama TV shows. And uShane yena uyayazi inkinga yakhe uthi ama drugs.
Yes.
Ngisakhuluma nje ngayi. Ikhofi.
Ngiyabonga Thuli. Yazi ukuthi yini? Ngicela ukuthi uphume ngaphandle ufunela a brand new career ngikhathere lokho.
Oh, hayibo ngoShane. Apparently kuthiwa sekuphela unyaka eclean.
Oh yeah. Yazi kuthiwa uhamba waye rehab ngemva kokuthi aqoshwe kule soap.
And muhle kanjani?
Ingazi ukuthi Shane kanti inhlobo yakho kaPenda.
Hayi akayona ukuncoma nje.
Iqiniso lithi once a drug addict always a drug addict. Yazi uShane yena uright kodwa nje I will not take that risk.
Cishe lento lena. Awube man. Izolo nje kuphela lena. Manlahla. Ayo mashayeza. Esekubona ngicabanga ukuthi sasigena vele. Asha lapha la. Wala mamkhulu ufuna ukufana nawe boy.
Ngizomtshela nje sobona.
Wala boy. Mr. Sound Generic 2006. Boy. I want to drink a sensitive for another last. I guess Ashiyama boy.
Ray Web Production.
Web Production. Ngawo uzodlala wena. Wala mfana wena bebe lasigela mfana wami. Uzona track imnandi kanjani boy. Bafana kusena ngapha umsindo ngakawehlisa le radio yakho. Check in vele la. Yazama. Awuthi kwenzakalanga ngale family zephi indlebe. Yazini impitha yankela bo doctor wendlebe ne. Ene nina no2 fungishese round ngoyo nhlolo. Akuyafana mfana. Noma ngayicisha manje usala usazoyiza ku radio and the track lena mfana iyothola recording nas. Abeka was music mfana.
Track idinga umsebenzi. Aphinda ngazo leliphungeni ungakule njengamanje. Ngiphinde nisebenze kule track yeni ngoba nobabili bese ngifile.
Breakfast. Lokunama problems ayakhenya sibali.
tshelile ngathi ungabhemi lensango yakho la endlini.
Mamela-ke boy. Mfana, uphathele indawo ezimnandi mfana. Usho uthe uDJ Sibuzo baseRosbank vanach ekseni. Akasondelanga ngani boy?
Hayi sifo boy. Hayi somngena nemfana.
Ya sho.
Yazwakala no.
Hola mfana.
A scorching new experience. Chisa. Kids, don't try this at home.
Chisa. Yu, awunyanzelekanga ubulophuleke wethu.
Helang. Hakusakokotile teng wa mind. Abo. Ke thopa ka ntšha ena.
How mind mas? Ne ke batla go ikadima fela.
I do mind Ayanda. Malaba mona o kadimne jacket ya ka ebe wa ilahla.
Oh please. Ke a go kopa tle. Please sweetie. Le ndibalekile kum. Ke na le auditions tsa Chesa.
Chesa. E hlotse papatsa TV. Ke taba tse monate tsena.
Jwale ge nahana. Housemate ya hao sele ile one of the presenters.
Ko thabetse Ayanda. Fela thopa ka ntšha. Ke boloketse dibeke. Ena ke soka ke apara.
Ha, Maschaba. O ska tlo ba stingy hao. Metswalle ya nnete ya supportana. And food is not like you have a hot date.
Ho lokile. O ka nna enka. Ke a o tshehetsa le wena wa tseba.
You're a star, sweetie. Mwah.
Hello, Njani.
Speed. Thena usebenza nje.
Uyazi iWest Ayanda. Vele ahlale nje, akasabukeli nokubukela iTV. Vele ahlale nje angijemele.
Speed. Umama uqine neinhloko kaloku buthi. Kaloku uphelelwe ngumsebenzi. Jonga, namanzi ukwazi ukuza namhlanje ekhaya. Kodwa ngizoza ngomseva. Okay?
Okay.
Ubani lobo uthatha naye efonini?
Ayanda.
Hey wena. Yeke kumane undihleba. Enye into yakana nokuhluphana nodadweni ngoba ubhanqa.
Upaxton ulele la ekhaya izolo ngoba esebenza till late. Bese recorder ka short.
Hayi. Uhleke ngoba usuqalile ukusebenzisa ulwazi lwakho la sound engineering oyifundelayo ndodana. Nkosikazi. Ingathi ngizophuza futhi ukubuya namhlanje. Sale kahle msebenzi.
Sizoyenzani ke lo nyaka Thabo? Siyasebenza?
Yo ma. Kodwa for imali okamanje ho. Ya ngoba ngisazama ukuthola record deal for mina nobafana.
Ungakuhle lokho. Imfundo mfana nami into esemqoka kakhulu.
Oh.
Webafana. Wena okhipha udoda ngisho uzungasali enqoleni yawo. Sizweni? Sengiyahamba ke. Ngisaya kwi literacy project yami ke.
Mfuthu. So na kusashinda mfana. Bona noma ngibuya kwa.
Afana. Kabe ngikushuka insana.
Yabona uyangisukela bokungasiyimi ngibhema insango. Bokubaxton nami ngivuswe iphunga la ngamtshela ukuthi ayilahla.
Yazi ngathi lobungani bakho wena noBucks ngizofuna kuphela. Isiqhwanqhwangu lo muntu mina uthathekile uhamba ama jam ama vibe.
Ya ngifuna ukufana nawe. Ngivaleke office the whole day.
Uzokuthini buti? Emhlabeni amathuba abaningi njengokucabanga.
Coming, baby.
baby, this is a surprise.
You smell like a bird.
I had a couple of beers last night. No crime in that, is there?
I was only joking.
So I thought Robert was back in town. What are you doing here so early?
Oh, baby, isn't it wonderful?
What?
Sharp Pictures asked me to audition for this new show today. Chisa. Apparently, I'm about to.
So you're going too?
Baby, and never noticed on Saritole. I mean, with this long contract, I could leave Robert. And then you'd be working again after.
Yeah, after being clean for more than a year, yeah. You know what? Actually, I was just surprised when the director called me. But maybe the industry's finally going to trust me again. Give me another chance to prove myself.
I trust you.
I know. That's why I love you.
I love you too.
Audition is only after lunch.
Shouldn't we be rehearsing?
It's called chemistry, baby. Something we have in spades. Where are you? Where are you? Hi, baby.
Gogo babe kade efonile. Uthe ngikhonzele.
Precious akushiwo njalo. Uthi ubaba ufonile, uthi batsho nginivuse.
Ubabe kade efonile, batshoni lodge.
Uthi khona ubuya neneso wethu.
Gogo ngabuya kanjani? Unemsebenzi omuhle kanjani le eThekwini?
Ngiyazi nasele ukhuluma nje, selomkhumbulile uyihlo mntanami. Nami lokho nangikhulako nganginje.
Azoqinisile gogo. Kodwa ngizomona ngeChristmas. Futhi uma uthe uzongithengela izipho ezinhle kanjani? Gogo ngiyazi ukuthi awuthandi mangimbiza uma. Kodwa yena nobaba sebana 10 years bashadile. Ayikho enye indaba.
NgesiNdebele wena. Uyazibona unyoko bekathanda amasiko kangangani? Uyazibona bekazikhakhazisa kangangani ngesiNdebele? Hayi.
Gogo ngiyasithanda isiNdebele. Futhi ngithanda nesiko lakhona. Ukuthi nje ubaba ngikhulise ngumZulu.
Tshela mina wena, imbalo zona uraga njani esikolweni?
Gogo kunzima. Mara kunama revision class after school. So ngizoya. Azimara bengicabanga. Kusela ama weeks ayi-few nje wesikole bese ngiqedile.
Into zingachuguluka noma kunjalo. Ziyachuguluka izinto kusephasini la.
Relata tseba yana.
Masitjhaba ga le go sele go shwaqa nthusa o sheba parking.
Mani, hona mani. Sithoto sena se tlo enka.
Oh no, he won't.
Sister, here the parking and it's to the car.
So then, get a faster car.
Oh boy. That's a shade, boy.
Hey fana yimi ne. Bengukhumbuza ukuthi uze kuma dance rehearsals namhlanje. Ngicela uze tu. Anyway, sharp.
Yazi mina mngani wami, ngicela idate yami ukuthi aze kuma rehearsal. Umuntu nje wavele wasisineka.
Ngani wami wayengaveli uthole enye ipartner.
It's just that angikhoshona ukuthi ngizoza. I mean wena bakuthungela ingubo enice kanjani? Ene mina nginani? Next.
Ngamthi mama yakho bengakusaveli for irock.
Oh no, she was. Until boyfriend yakhe found out ukuthi she's got extra money endlini.
Mngani wami. Akuyenza irock.
Sorry, uyazi ukuthi uphuthishe sibo.
Awubona uyamazi. Awushebe la. Wena uyazi fere somja fere. Akakabona ukuthi ufere. Athi wabona la. Yes. Oh, sama no. Não, muito alto. Olha. Sessuolo.
Here you go, Mrs. Wellington.
Thank you.
Pinky? I have to leave at lunch today.
Doctor's appointment. Girl trouble.
Last time you used that excuse, you were supposed to bring me a doctor's letter.
But I lost it. I told you.
You can see the doctor in your own time.
Lunchtime is my own time.
Of course. As long as you aren't late getting back. And it's company time.
It's not my fault if the doctor keeps me waiting.
And it's not my fault if you get fired.
O ke ke wa tijelo Ayanda. Lapa la heno le tshepetse ho wena.
Masitshaba. Senthembe wena ngoku. Ngicela uxolele uPinky xa ebuza after lunch ukuba ndiphi. Umxelele ukuba ugqirha ngithumele kuma blood tests.
Ake ke ba dumela nthwena.
Masitshaba, kuthani uligwala kangaka? Cinga nga something Masitshaba, anything. Masithethe nge-rocket science apha.
Asenna lokwana.
I'm so sorry, sweetie. It's just that ama-nerves ami ngenyawo. Ngicela ucinge ngenye into torho. Kuyayitsi gore wena ukeke wamphoqa.
Ncane ungayicedi. Baba. Asima sengila mfana sengasesigela. Ngathi ngavele ngivale nje ngemark register. Bathule incwadi khinya kanjani?
Wala, short. Ya Paxton, mana uma nomamela ndoda. Ehle kuyazi noma wazi ukuthi sibuku ufana. Yeah? Mana akekho le Rosberg show. Mana ngiserious man ndoda. Sha pictures angithi.
Ethami yami ungayicedi ndoda.
Yeah, sure.
Showtime, peeps!
Shane. Yo, buya clean gabi yazi. Mhlawumbe wayekile ama drugs ngempela.
Usho njalo. Amaphepha asho njalo so uyabaza bayikhuluma into engekho.
You're right. Hi.
Hey guys.
Bandle nobuni nayo khona la.
Hey, usanda kuphuma kule soap nje about a week ago, hey.
Yes, mangibhekile ngathi yena noShemba ngasebenza kahle kahle gabi yazi.
Njalo.
Yeah.
Ha, Robbie Malinga.
Ngiyaphika.
Wala TS Robbie Malinga.
Kunjani wena?
Usibuka ntakazanga mfana ku audition.
Usibuka mfethu uyabhaziseka ubhizi nge-TV program manje, you know. Manje ngizomvalela ngizona uganawa nama invites ukuthi ziyawa namhlanje club stand ebusuku.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Yazi ngina idea. Le party yakho mhlambe singenza sizoshutha i-insert nyana ne?
Yo, masekhona nina kuba nzima ke. Asifikeni ke sibona ke nilate.
Okay, ngizobona later ke mfethu. Bye bye.
This is a good idea.
Nice. Can get some nice footage.
Okay. Kodwa ngibambele nami.
Hey, Taras. Hey, shabu kunjani let's go. Hola.
You! Emmanuel Landela! Hey guys, this guy's some kind of a pervert!
Marasisa ngisukela yazi mabhebeza. Ngathi ngicala nokubona nje mfethu. Aze ngiqhubeka lento yenzayo ngikutshela. They be perfect all over you baby.
Good. Ekutama yazi mfethu sigijima the whole day space funa no DJ Sibu, yabona. Besithuna idemo kahle kahle nibesicela ukuthi ayimamele.
No, brother Sibu is looking for new talent, Joe.
Sure, Vumile.
Man, city. Yeah, Vumile boy.
Sure, umntana city yena.
Yo, boy. Engiziflow mfana so ngishekile. Ayisa, no mara mfethu unganaki man. Ngiphethe idari yakhe lana. Awuthi ngimcheckele ukuthi singalishaya iphilanga. Kusasa bafethu 1 o'clock sharp. Oh yeah, sure. Ningabi late man. Ningabi late. Cha.
Besicela cut lakhe la.
Oh, icut lakhe. Sure. Ayisa, bona sengikhohle ukunika icut.
Alright.
Ama cut bafethu.
Sibonga kakhulu futhi.
What's up? What's in the guy? You, not a long time, yeah? Long time, man. I'm not sure, man. Never found out what to do. City, Kawusibuda ukuthi abaseta amajibu angenelele kuyina.
Hawu, bafana and Buxton.
Buxton, yeah.
Sure. That's so. You know, that used to be my dream, you know, to make music.
Yeah, serious.
Good, man.
Weekend e setse e thomile. Le shebeletse Boni ke nna Chesa. It's so hot I don't even know my own name. Ke nna Boni and le shebeletse.
As if nesenze ixesha sidibane ke ne?
Hayi noma kanjani mfethu. Plus vele kudala ngifuna ukubitsana nawe and ole lami lagcwala ngawe nje.
Yo. But so good auditions.
Hayi
man, you know what? You should give it a try. Being on TV can help your music, build your brand.
Right.
Sure, veg.
Sure.
Azizo das.
Macha.
Hola, show van. What is he doing here?
He came to support me. I couldn't talk him out of it.
So what happened when me and you rock an audition?
We will. Shane, please don't do this.
Konke oko nokuninzi kwenye i-edition entsha yetshisa. Ndingu-Ayanda. Nditshisa amaphepha, nditshisa namabox.
Siyabonga sisi. Got something.
I bet you were great, yeah?
Ayikho laa nto bendiyenza phayana. Khakucingi bendinokhuphisana njani nalo nomvotsho wesiteni esingaka.
Sorry. Buti? Next.
Mina?
Yeah, when I was close. Pause.
Why not? Kola ngabo ntwana.
Ngringe nawe or
Hayi, bheka camera sa.
all right, no sure. Mfethu ngisondela lo ngisabi. Mfethu, ngihleli no Prince lana. Ngiyantshela le show lana iyavutha, thisa. And la singiphathile staff esibhayi nana ngeke ngikhona ukubelieve. I mean, siphethe staff and the staff and siphethe the staff.
Hey, Rafio.
Ngiyazizwa yes.
Hello. Yeah, man, ngiyasho ukuthi ngiyakwazi. Hola dala kula Sophie ne? Celi haki. Boy ngibulele mfana. Ngizisa kahle kanjani lo mntwana? Awuwe boy.
Hayi, yazi mfana ngathi ngifathuzele lo audition lana yazi.
Yini?
Kumele ngitayi energy nyano yazi spirit, but responsibility is grand, jo.
So what happened to your husband?
He left. I see you made a new friend.
Well, just getting to know, you know? In case she gets the job.
You're so not funny.
As in the ass Gibanda was it love. Well, you live next door to a friend of mine, yeah?
Oh, you've got friends. That's nice.
Hayi boy, shimana mfana. Awusabambi.
Man, how about we go grab a beer?
Sure.
Yeah? Let's do it, bud.
Hi.
Hey.
Go director, ne?
Yeah?
You rock.
Thanks.
Mamela, bencinga uba ndenze ntoni for callbacks. Ndisho uba ndicela mhlawumbi usukwana phaa emsebenzini.
Hawu, bengicabanga ukuthi uthe usuyatholakala nje noma ngabe ne.
Oh, hayi ewe. Available into yokuba lo msebenzi endiwenzayo umsetyanzana nje wethutyana.
Okay. Uzokufonela before kushona ilanga namhlanje.
Asambe siyodla lunch.
Yeah, sure.
Ubani wena? Wenzeni ngovinole?
Bengikhumbule kanje sithando sami. Ngibulawa isithukuthezi nje ngihlela lapha ngedwa. Sorry.
Azi kumele inhlanhla 25 and mengikhumbule nami. Ize nombuya kanje.
So, how did it go?
Festival. Big grand. As the industry iyabhaza ngiyakutshela.
And i-meeting nama-producer yona?
I'll be right. Bafuna iscript ngokushesha lapho. Athi ngibachaze nge-short film yami. Thank you.
For?
The plane tickets. As if I'm interested, ngizogazini nje.
Bahlanya kabi. If they're not interested, man. I mean, namanje nje angaze ngibone i-first film engcono kunale yakho.
Anyazi le trip engidinga kanjani. Athi uthole inspiration nawo wonke lokho. Singazizwa futhi ngirede ukuqhubeka nokubhala futhi yazi.
Khuluma ngokubhala. Ngathi ngicala nge-episode 1 eyetshisa. Yazi wena amandla awazi. Awubheke nje lo doti.
Series kumele ngabe yashisa ibuthi amalangabi. Like a bushfire, just fanning the flames of a cultural revolution. Chase.
Very nice for the intro. Chubeka laphi.
Yazi ngidala zibhanweni ukuthi ndiyanda ndesa le movie yami. A road movie. Oh, the great South African road movie.
You know, ngijabula kabi ukuthi benesikhathi esimnandi manje. Well, it's been hell on this side. Uyazi ukuthi is-audition abantu abangakanani and still lutho. Nine channel is threatening ukucancela i-contract yami.
Lalela. Silenda ipoya le one mina. Bese ngokuxoxa ngale film, okay?
Right.
Yes, Joe. There's nothing I want to do more than umculo, Joe. Just that my boss abami abaqali.
Why? Because it's not a stable career?
Abancane ndoda ama-clubs nama-drugs. Yazi into zisebusuku.
Bafana, you know what? It comes with the territory, buddy.
Yeah, fit.
That's so.
Sure.
Isikhathi esiningi yazi thengiseza inyuthe ngikho.
Ndoda mina nye ngitsho into leyo. Hayi ndoda ngisibona izinto ezomosha umzimba wami. Yabona ijoint othuwa kusisimoke esibhayi. Coke. Ahla mhlobo.
That's a damn expensive habit, man.
Ngitshela, ikwazifike kanjani ndoda? I mean wena why boy tune?
Well, because I could, you know? It feels good. It kind of gives me a buzz. Indenza ndizive ngathi ndindoda emadodeni. Ngathi kungekho umuntu onongiqhela kakubi kubani?
Ndoda, mara is coke already must ndoda uyidingi coke.
Don't believe all that TV stuff, buddy. At the end of the day, we all just scared, eh? And anyway, fame does not put food on the table.
Yekela. Msebenzi kabafana loyo.
Akabunje manje lo muntu. Ngiyawazi ukuthi ukuphi.
Kunokwenzeka ukuthi bambeke esikolweni phela. Ini?
Ubafana balalo mngane wakho uBaxton. Kwela umgaqo mina ngangithuke futhi mangase ngeze kuthi ubafana akasayi nase college.
Hayibo. Ubafana uthi uyazi ukuthi ibiza malini le khosi yakhe.
Oh la? Yeah, it's bafana. Serious? Sharp. Ayekela futhi bheki ngizoyenza.
Webafana ungitshela, yini uhambe ebusuku kangaka?
Mama, ngicela ungakwadi.
Uyazi ukuthi uwe ngikwatisayo. Uyangithukuthelisa nje nama uvula umlomo wakho nje.
So wenzeni manje mfo?
Ngidojile eklasini mama namhlanje. Bengeke audition ye-TV show iChisa. Yazi mama, bebafuna ama-presenter.
Kanti ayifundelwa yini lento yena emayo ka-TV?
Mama. Into mayikufanela, iyakufanela. Yabona njengayo i-TV le, and bayangifuna futhi kusasa for yona.
Hayi, awukahle wena. Yazi ukuthi na uvula nje nomlonyana wakho. Uyangimangaza.
Hello? Oh, hi. Okay. No, ngabani basha? Oh, no, that's no problem. Enkosi kakhulu. Bye.
What?
Bambizile gape go Chisa.
That's good news. Well done.
What am I going to weigh?
Manje uthini ngomsebenzi wakho? tla ya ke le tjena nna.
Go lokile ge ke tla ya. Shane.
Benzo visited Chume Metlale next door, Krabengab. So then I thought, I know there's this fly lady that lives next door.
Ke mang Ayanda?
Ke Shane Sibaya.
Yeah. That's very funny.
Ndifumene call back namhlanje, wena? I'm so excited. Ngena ngaphakathi.
Shane Sibaya. Gale ke tsebe re tla kopana le leng la matsatsi.
Okay, she's a bit of a fan.
Ska kgathatsa ka mokgo ke apereng ka teng.
A drink to celebrate?
Listen, I'm off to bed. It was nice meeting you.
Okay. Okay.
Yazi ntoni, ndlela le bendinervous ngayo. I really need some tips. Lo msebenzi yeyona nto yakhe yabaluleka ebomini bam.
I'm all yours.
Oh, uthupulekene nomsebenzi wakhe.
Ndivile umxolisi sitsho. Kodwa ke kuza kufuneka siyothetha naye ngomso.
Hayi kuba kunjalo. Kuzafuneka libale ngofumana omnye umsebenzi.
Ndiyambona uyibetha ngoyaba lento. Thami, kudade wethu lo. Kuza kufuneka simncedile.
Ayanda yena unceda bani? Le mali anakunika yona tata encinci kakubi yokuba uncede.
Uthi ufumana imali encinci apha sebenza khona ayonelanga.
Utsho njalo kuwe. Nobe yaxokisa ke tata. Lamntu uhamba ngomyobo wemoto. Nempahla enxibayo iyodide liphezulu. Ndithi ubuso bakhe buthe ba kwi-billboard zonke zentengiso ecream yobuso. Ngumuntu efiswa lo. Ake phofu ingxaki yakhe leyo.
Thami, that's enough.
Tata, masiza kuba zindlezane thina. Abantwana bethu bazaqhubezela benze njani? Bawuzaya njani ecollege?
I said that's enough.
Ndiziva ndolungelo usuku lwangomso. Enkosi. Well, ndicinga bafuneka ndiyolala ngoku.
Kunganjani nilalapha? Singahamba mosubayithu ngomsemsebenzini.
You're joking, right?
I'm not joking, baby, and you know it.
Get out.
Come on, man, you've been flirting with me all night.
Oh. Xa umuntu ongumama ekubonisa ubuhlobo, lo nto ithetha uba ufuna ukulala nawe? Out.
Come on, don't
Out.
do this.
Elgoduke Shane.
Okay.
Anilelanga kakuhle. Hayi lesheni yena. Wa papa.
No, he's not. Ndendamgxotha izolo. Unalimona sibake ngisanthoyile ngwefela. Nabatla urobala lena.
Utisithe.
Naxa ndendazibuza emva kobe hambile. Uba ndenze into eright na.
Ngwaneso, ha o letho le phoso le lentseng. Le le sa tsebane lo tsebane.
Naxa lo nto ithetha ukuba bendizoba nethuba le right lokufumana ichisa.
Ha o netefatse ntho ena.
You are hopeless.
Mamela, ko jweditse ke ka hlola ke bua maka ho Pinky hapa ke.
Mashaba, ana wa itse gore mosebetsi o botlhokwa jwang mo honna.
Le nna mosebetsi wa ka bohlokwa ho nna Ayanda. Ke maswabi.
Fine.
Malama audition zakho.
Hayi, aqala ngo-12 baba. Ngisathi nje ihora nje lodwa. Nasesikolweni ngizofika ngesikhathi.
Hayi kanti bengifuna ukwazi ukuthi ngabe iyakhokhelana into television yenu.
Angikazazi kwamanje.
Precious.
Ha?
Ushayile Precious Sizolo.
Nami uyongishela imessage efonini yami.
Ubomfonela wendodana. Phela ungeke wazi amakhosikazi.
Kahle.
Eish, ngam, anginayo time. Cela usebenzise ifoni yakho.
Nansi lapha.
Ngiyabonga.
Sawubona ma.
Sawubona mntanami.
Bafana uwe. Wangangifonela ngizolo.
Ngiyangabambeleka kuma audition eChesa.
Audition yechisa. Ile show wonke umuntu akhuluma ngayo ne.
Yeah, nabathi ngiyeza futhi namhlanje.
So, angeke ukhodle ngama dance class ne.
Yeah, okay, it's fine.
Okay, ngizaza kini ke.
Can't wait to see you, ne?
Oh, okay.
Khumbulela kakhulu yazi babe.
Sure, bye bye.
Sure.
Lothani gogo.
Nivuke ekseni namhlanje.
Gogo bengifunda. Bekulindiwe efonini. Besikhuluma nge-dance class. Phela i-theme ye-the say Latin.
Wena noLindiwe nifanele bona nikhambe nobabili ngamalanga. Yi?
Hawu, gogo ulungu umngani wami.
Ingathana kuya ngami. Ngathana wena noLindiwe nisiba ngani? uLindiwe akasimfazi walitho.
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi usechintshile gogo.
Akusuqala isikerde sakhe isigcebhezana sesikolo. Hayi.
See, Robert didn't come with today.
Not now, please.
Ndiyabona uba uhambe kahle izolo.
No thanks to you.
Jonga. Ngiyaqonda uba mhlawumbi nje ndakuthetha krabaxa nawe izolo. Mhlawumbi ngeke ndikuvumele ubulala ekhawutshini yami.
That's okay.
Ndiyacela ungandiqumbeli wethu.
You know what? You've been a very bad girl, so please go do your warm-ups.
Hello.
Wow.
Hello. Kunjani mabhekazi?
Andizukuvumela ukungicaphukise namhlanje. Awubalekanga ngolohlobo. Late, very late.
Futshela abantu bakho futhi bakufaka qala sokwazi ufafa tu.
Sofika ngesikhathi Dr. Kusibuka ntini? Ha mana uchile, hey, mfo. Mfo.
Ubundle. Ingcuthe kulento ne?
Sure, she was born to do this.
Njengawe. Nina nobabini izolo. Benizingcuthe.
Yeah, man. We're born to be together.
Okay. Ngicela sizame nenye into manje. Ngifuna uAyanda noBafana on stage.
Sorry. Bengicela ngibize Prince.
Oh, okay. Prince and Ayanda on stage. Ngicela nihlale lapha ekhawutshini. You know what to do. Stand by. Roll cameras.
Lavuthi tyholo ekugqibeleni ena show evutha be.
Sure, iyathisa baby.
It's Chisa.
Yeah, and njalo ngolwesine ebusuku. And
Gonna be chilling.
You're gonna be chilling with me, the prince. Bow down, good people, because the prince is in the heza.
And with me, Ayanda.
Sure, right, her too.
Cut.
Bow down, people.
I get all inexperienced.
So, wena awudingi mos le show. Ngisho kuba khona isoapy.
Okay, let's say this. Ngikhoka more than anything.
Well, you were great.
Thanks. Phela xa samahandla akhe yale Shane.
So, wena no Shane, khona mhlambi into eqhubekayo.
Ke mangasho ditseng.
Dinamehlo ndiyabona.
Ke ne ke kopa hore ska jwetsa motho, it's kind of like a secret.
I guess it's khona into okufuneka ndikuxelele yona. Ushene bepha kwami izolo. Emne bufuna ulala nami.
Thembela siyazi khona apha phakathi man. Thembela. Thembi. Intoni ke le? Yo, ubenyanisile umxolisi. Hayi ke, uyewathatha ntoni umxolisi ke ngoku?
Ebenekhala weza kum.
Indawo. Indenza ndibe nosisi. Hayi, yilishwa nje ukwangoku. Sisi, kuzafaneka uye ekliniki.
Ugqirha angakunceda.
Kodwa msukisi kudala ndibahamba ogqirha. Futhi enye into azange bandinceda nganto. Ebomini kukho iintsuku ezinhle nezimpi.
Sisi, ndiyakucela uza kunxiba wena noThami niye ekliniki.
Hayi, shame. Ndiyathemba izinto xa zizimbi ngolu hlobo uAyanda ufanele ancede more.
At last, for the show that burns like a bushfire. It's Chissa.
Yeah, now you are going to be chilling with me, Shane.
And with me, Bonnie.
Amani mfoso walethu sibosambe man.
Uhlale phansi kanti.
Xa ungathi uhlale phansi wena man yazini. Kumele uchoose phakathi kwalombhedo umsebenzi wethu.
Yini chapareni yenzayo
Sister, it's just that ngishawe isikhathi yabona.
Inkinga yami leyo.
No, akusinkinga yakho. It's just that important lento kumele ngiyenze.
So, lento le mina engiyenza la ayikho important yini na?
No sister. Yazini, yabona ukuthi sizele la ayikho important. Into important music wethu, please.
Angisusi sisi wakho. Ngibheke kahle yezwa. Ngicela phumeni. And wena if ucabanga ukuthi ukhona umuntu ozoqasha lapha kule industry yethu, forget it. Hambani.
Ngiyaxolisa sisi ngizolinda.
Hamba uxolisa le masontweni. Phumani njengamanje.
Fana. Samani.
Taban from the top, please.
All right, guys, same place.
Hi, Putwami.
Chanza ngisipane nenazi.
Mfethu ngishiyithisa John Gijimela wena Putwami. Cela nje umamelele staff. Cela nje umamelele staff.
Mngani wami ingubo yakho inhle kanjani?
Eneyinhle nemngani wami.
Awubu, ngathenda intombi. Uyazi ungikhumbuza wena nobafana nisebancane. Wayecacuciwe ngefuna ukuzodlala nawe.
Hayi mama, rubafana uwe bekanganandlebe.
Hawu, kodwa buke namhlanje usucedile nokuceda esikolweni.
Okay, asambe. Ukubafana.
Ngikade kumfonela mara ngathi phone yakhe off.
Hayi uzofika maduzane.
Philiwe. Hamba wena ngimacheck dance.
Hayi ukuthi ngisayikhangela idate mara mangibhekile mina nawe singafanelana yazi.
Ningafanelana nemngani wami.
Fanele. Mina nama dance nama lessons angihlangani.
Yazi kulula kanjani waza ngikubonisa. 1 2
Get me a bucket of water, because tonight on Chisa, we about to set the house on fire, people.
The new face of Chisa.
Yazule igama elihle kanjani mfana. Mina ngambona emngcwabeni kaMessi. Washaya enye anti-drug speech lapha kuthuka wonke umuntu. Kodwa
Tabs, kodwa siwenza njani? Isikhathi sesihambile phela uyazi. And khona manje kwamele sithathe i-risk. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngizofaka i-clause kwi-contract yakhe ikhuluma ngama-drugs and alcohol, ne?
okay. Indawo enzima kakhulu ke manje. Ayanda or Bonnie?
I've made up my mind.
Sengibashile. Precious. Akaphathekile kahle.
Akayedwa ndodana, sonke sidumele. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngobafana. Uyazi ukuthi yini? Sekufike mina la sengigcinene khona ke manje.
Iqiniso baba nami impela ngazi.
Chesa, night vibe like corner. Chesa, yakwazi ukwenza awuskita sijiva noma kanjani.
Awubheke.
Yini?
Incwadi esitshela ukuthi ubafana kudala agcine emaklasini. Kodwa yini ngalomfana?
Ngumama uye wathini ugqirha?
Oh, Ayanda. Uthi nginento entsha ngoku. Muscular degeneration.
Ngaphezu kwaleyo nayo mama, i-retinitis.
Wentombami.
Mama, uthi uyaze uphinde ubone nje. Mama, kuzokwenzeka ntoni ngoSpeedy? Mama, uSpeedy kufuneka ahambe ayokwenza i-test. Ezinamntu azenzayo ngelaa xesha ndana-12. Uyaqonda phofu uba le nto iyadlulela kwisizukulwana?
I'm confused, boy. Ngisazi ubani sitha ubani umngani. Ngoba kacado lodla futhi abantu abebenyusa boy. Mara yazini, shele nazi ukuthi indoda ekwazi umkhosi wayo. Zobuya, zovuka sapholisa lenxeba. Shele for boy. Wonke umuntu uyadeserve a second chance.
Your life bigger than us, your fame bigger than us, your hype, your pressure on my fans bigger than us. Politics applicant to me, they're bigger than us, huh? Bigger than us, sure, bigger than us. Your life bigger than us, your fame.